Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Franciscus Lombovo, second semester English Education at Nias Raya University. This video will be my final assignment in pronunciation, and the task is to read a text that is intended to improve uh, vocabulary pronunciation skills in English. Okay, uh, in front of me there is already reading material that will be my reading. Therefore, if I often look down, it is because I'm reading the text. Let's start it. The text of the reading that I will read is Nias people. Nias people are an ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendants of humans. Nias Island is known as Anoniha with Tana meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practices of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Rundreko, which regulates all aspects of life from birth to death. Historical evidence of megalithic structures and stone carvings that are found in the interior of the island prove the ancient Nias people practiced megalithic culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nia society, whereby the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festival by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to the people of Nias, one of the mythical origin of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Toras Garwa, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirao, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirao were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted on Nias Island since 1999. The observations found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago, through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During the period, the Hoa Pinh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origins of the Nias people come from an area in mainland Asia that is modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra come from the Austronesian people. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of researching involving blood samples of 414 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and DNA mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese Aborigines and Filipino peoples. The observations has also found that the genes in today's Nias people no longer carry any trace of the ancient Nias people, as of those whose remains were found in the Togindrawa cave, central Nias. Archaeological findings of the stone tools found show that humans lived in the cave over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of people, especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was once of a bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbor. Although it is known that there was a migration of the Ausonesian people between Taiwan and the Indonesian archipelago, including Nias, it is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Some typical Nias food include gobi nihandro or gobi nitutu is pounded cassava, harinake is minced pork, gado-gado is shredded cassava shaped into balls for boiling and later with added coconut flakes. Kefu-kefu is minced fish meat shaped into balls to be dried or smoked. Niowuru is salted pork for longer storage. Ratigae is fried banana. Tamboye is ketupat. Leme is lemang. Gainiboga is grilled bananas. Kazimane is made of sagu. Wawayase is glutinous rice. The next is gula-gula fare. Gula-gula fare is candy made from distilled coconut milk. Bato is compressed crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found on Hinako Island. Nami is salted crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuo Nifara is palm wine. Tuo Banua is raw palm wine with added laru, roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by those who already perform the headhunting activities. The first is fonbraru, men's earring made of precious metal. The second is kalabubu, also known as the headhunter's necklace. The third is nifatalitali, a necklace of their precious metal. Nifatefate, a man as necklace of precious metal. And the last is suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Okay, the next is traditional proverbs. The first is hula ni famangamao ihenge jinga, like a cat that eats starting from the sides. When doing something, start from the easy to difficult. The second is hula laiva nidana ba ifuli fahaluhalu. Just like coping the water, it will still remain. Some things that is inspirable. And the last is Abaka Joko Safuria Moroi Baji Ofuna. The wound is more severe at the later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt of most towards at the end. Other traditional practice. Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo is leaping over the rock. Fatele or Faluaya is bull dance. Maina is group dance. Tari Moyo is single dance. Tari Mogale. Fangobai is becoming of guest dance. Fame Ononiha in the wedding. Omohada is traditional house. Fame Ete Nononiha is given name of a married woman. Fasaselewu is bamboo competitions among young men to test one's strength. The tradition in Niasan culture began to occur since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by German Protestant Renais missionary society, had been responsible to destructions of Niasan wooden statues, as well the suppression of the unique culture of Nias society. e.g., ancestor worship, magical practices, and the Owasa Festival, or Nobleman Rank Elevation Festival, headhunting and slave trading. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Onaniha has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church taught culture integration into liturgy, architecture, and art. Okay, that's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes in pronouncing words because I'm not still fluent yet. Okay, and thank you. Bye bye.